You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to add and change image of a label in Python TKinter. This is the preview of our application. First of all, we will create a form and place a label and a button in this form. Next, we will add an image statically in this label. Now when we click on this button, the image of label will be changed in runtime. Let's start coding. Here I am using Spider editor. First of all, we will import TKinter HTK. Now we will create our application form by using tk command. Its name is root. Next we will set the title of our application. Our title is computer coding class. Now we will place all necessary components on this form. First component is a blank line. We are using a label for this blank line. Second component is also a label. This is the label on which we will place an image. Here we are setting pink color as an background color of this label. Now again I will place a blank line. Our last component is a button. Here we placed 4 components, 3 labels and 1 button. The name of our button is change image. Here we are also setting background and foreground colors. Here background color is black and foreground color is white. After creating all these components, now we will place these components on the form by using grid manager. Here we place the component age per column number and row number. This grid is started with 0 column and 0 row. First blank line is placed in first row and first column. Next, our image label is placed in second row and first column, and at last we are placing our button. Its row is 4 and column is 1. And at last, by using root.main loop, we will run our application. Now we will post an image on our label statically. Here we will have to load this image in a container. For container I am using command photo image that will load an image from the hard disk. Here the name of container is image. We are placing a PNG file. PNG file and source code file both are stored in same folder. Now we will place this image in our label by using argument image. Here argument name is also image. By using this argument, we are connecting our image with the label. Now we are running the program. You can see a bird image on the label. It adjusts automatically. This is the application. Here we place the image statically. Now we will create a function so that when we click on button, it will change the image. Here I am creating a function named image change. Here also we will have to create a container and load the image. Here the name of container is image1. This image is also stored in the same folder where our source code file is stored, so there is no need to specify any path. Next command is configure. By using label.configure, we can change the image of our label. After configuration, again you will have to specify the container name to label. Here we will use command label.image equal to image1. Here image1 is the container. In this way we have created the function. Now we will set this function to our button. Here we will pass an argument named command equal to function name. There is no need to specify any parentheses in function name. We have created the function. Now in run, when I click the button change image, it just change the image of our label from bird to a bee. This is ending of our tutorial. Thank you.